U.S. oil futures fell below levels of $0 a barrel for the first time in its history, due to weak consumption on it, reduced demand forecasts by OPEC and the International Energy Agency, and increases in the size of U.S. stocks, especially in Cushing and Oklahoma against the backdrop of the spread of the coronavirus. Gold rises to levels above $1,700 an ounce, on the background of the dollar's decline in light of the approval of the U.S. Senate to put up another relief package, estimated at $484 billion directed as additional support to the economy and American hospitals. The U.S. dollar index is targeting levels above 100, as the dollar received more support against the backdrop of collapses in West Texas contracts, fell for the first time to negative levels, which also supported the demand of U.S. bonds. GBP and USD is declining due to the increase in demand for the US dollar from the other side, supported by the safe haven demand, due to the increase in fears about the spread of the coronavirus and its impact on the global economy, as well as the slowdown in the growth of the numbers of people working in British companies to 0.8% in March compared to February amounted to 1.1%. Italy is experiencing an economic shock due to the coronavirus and its investment-grade rating, dangerous 3B, and needs the European Union's assistance to get out of its current negative rating. The European Union needs at least €1.6 trillion as an economic support package to recover from the coronavirus crisis. ATFX, a global leader in online trading.